Trump tariffs and crypto. One sneeze, billions wiped out. A single Trump tariff announcement sent billions evaporating from crypto, with Bybit alone seeing 2.1 billion in liquidations. Traditional markets? Chill. Crypto? Full-blown doomsday panic. While Mexico and Canada tensions eased, US-China remains a ticking time bomb. Investors are drained, altcoins wrecked, and Bitcoin the last refuge. For now. But who knows what Trump's next plot twist will be? Meanwhile, BTC and ETH reserves on exchanges are at multi-year lows, meaning whales are quietly stacking. So stay alert, but don't panic. This roller coaster ride isn't over yet.